Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explore from side hustle to full-time income. Transitioning from a side hustle to a full-time income is a dream for many aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're working on a passion project or simply trying to supplement your current income, taking that leap can be a daunting yet highly rewarding experience. 1. Assess your current side hustle and its potential. Before taking the leap from side hustle to full-time income, it's crucial to evaluate the viability of your business. Not all side hustles are meant to become full-time endeavors, and not all will generate the income required to sustain you. Start by assessing how much revenue your side hustle is currently generating. If you're not already tracking your income and expenses, now is the time to start. A clear understanding of your financials will help you determine whether you can sustain yourself with your side hustle long-term. Consider key metrics such as monthly income growth, profit margins, and customer retention rates. 2. Build a financial cushion. Before you quit your day job, it's essential to have a financial cushion in place. Transitioning to full-time self-employment can be unpredictable, and the last thing you want is to face financial stress when things don't go as planned. Financial preparation can take months or even years, but it's a necessary step to ensure you don't run into financial trouble as you shift from part-time to full-time. Financial experts generally recommend having at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved up before making the leap. This cushion will give you the flexibility to weather slow months or unexpected expenses while you grow your business. The cushion should be easily accessible, like in a savings account, and not tied to investments that may fluctuate in value. 3. Evaluate your time commitment. A significant factor in transitioning from side hustle to full-time work is understanding the time commitment required. When working a full-time job, your side hustle may only get a few hours a week, and while that can be sufficient to maintain momentum, it's not enough for full-time growth. Take a hard look at how many hours you realistically need to dedicate to your side hustle to turn it into a sustainable business. If you're currently working 40 hours a week at your day job, adding another 20 to 30 hours or more to your schedule may not be possible without some adjustments. In preparation for the transition, it's a good idea to streamline processes, automate where possible, and delegate tasks to others. Having a solid understanding of how much time you'll need to devote to your business will help you manage the jump more effectively. 4. Diversify your income streams. One of the most important strategies for turning a side hustle into full-time income is diversifying your revenue streams. Relying on one source of income can be risky, especially when you're just starting out. By diversifying, you're not only protecting yourself against unforeseen circumstances, but you're also increasing your chances of achieving sustainable financial success. There are various ways to diversify your income within your side hustle. If you're running an e-commerce business, you could add additional products or services to your portfolio. If you're a freelancer, you might expand the types of services you offer to attract more clients or move into different niches. Another common method is to create passive income sources, such as online courses, digital products, or subscription-based services. 5. Develop a marketing strategy. As you transition to full-time income from your side hustle, it's essential to ensure you have a clear and effective marketing strategy in place. Marketing is one of the key drivers of business success, and without a solid plan, even the best products or services can fail to reach their potential. Start by identifying your target audience, understanding their needs, and determining the best channels for reaching them. Whether it's through social media, content marketing, email campaigns, or paid advertising, your marketing strategy should be tailored to your specific business and audience. Also focus on creating a strong brand identity that resonates with your audience. Your brand should reflect your values, mission, and what makes your business unique. Branding is more than just a logo. It's how your customers perceive you and how you communicate with them. 6. Set clear goals and milestones. Goal setting is an essential part of growing your side hustle into a full-time income. Without clear objectives, it's easy to lose focus and become distracted by the day-to-day tasks that come with running a business. Setting both short-term and long-term goals will keep you on track and help you measure your progress. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. For example, instead of saying, "I want to grow my business," set a more precise goal such as, "I want to increase my monthly revenue by 25% in the next 3 months." In addition to overarching business goals, break them down into smaller, actionable milestones. These milestones could include tasks like acquiring a certain number of customers, reaching a revenue target, or expanding your product offerings. Celebrating these small wins along the way will keep you motivated as you move closer to your long-term vision. 7. Build your network. Networking is one of the most valuable tools for growing your business and achieving full-time success. As you transition from side hustle to full-time income, your network can help provide guidance, mentorship, and opportunities for collaboration. Your network can include fellow entrepreneurs, industry experts, potential customers, and even investors. Attend industry events, participate in online forums, and connect with people on social media to expand your reach. Building strong relationships with others in your field will give you access to resources, advice, and business opportunities that you may not have otherwise encountered. Additionally, don't forget about the power of referrals. As you grow your side hustle, you'll want to ensure that your current customers or clients are satisfied and encourage them to refer others to your business. 8. Learn to manage your time and prioritize tasks. When you become your own boss, managing your time effectively is crucial to your success. Unlike a traditional job, where tasks are assigned to you, being an entrepreneur requires you to juggle multiple roles: marketing, sales, customer service, product development, accounting, and more. One of the best ways to manage your time efficiently is to implement a prioritization system. Identify the most important tasks that will directly impact your business's growth and focus on those first. Tools like the Eisenhower Matrix, which divides tasks into urgent/important, important/not urgent, etc., can help you stay focused on what matters most. 9. Prepare for challenges and setbacks. Transitioning from a side hustle to a full-time income is not a linear process. You will face challenges and setbacks along the way, and it's important to be mentally and emotionally prepared for those bumps in the road. Some common challenges include slow sales periods, customer complaints, cash flow issues, or even the occasional burnout. The key to overcoming these hurdles is resilience and problem solving. Instead of viewing setbacks as failures, treat them as opportunities to learn and grow. 10. Transition gradually and test the waters. Finally, it's often wise to transition gradually into full-time entrepreneurship rather than making an abrupt leap. Testing the waters before committing entirely will give you a clearer picture of what to expect and can reduce the risk involved in the transition. Start by working part-time on your business while still maintaining your day job. Gradually increase the time you dedicate to your side hustle as your income grows. Keep track of how your business is performing and reassess your situation regularly. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.